Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. So let's continue with the rectification of errors. We should be completing this illustrations today, and we should go into the test your understandings, and then to the next chapter. Okay. So I'm in illustration 6, page 212, chapter 6, class 11. Okay, rectification of errors. So the trial balance of Anantram did not agree. It showed an excess credit of rupees 16,000. He put the difference to suspense account where suspense is got debited. Right. Subsequently, the following errors were located. Cash received from Mohit rupees 4,000 was posted to Mahesh as rupees 1,000. So cash received from Mohit. Right. So what should be the original entry? Cash account debit. I'm making it more detailed so that you don't get confused, right? So cash account debit 4,000 and it is supposed to be Mohit account. Mohit account credit 4,000. This should be the original entry. What actually is the actual entry got processed? Cash account debit 1,000. Instead of 4,000, it is processed as 1,000 and credit Mahesh account 1,000. So what should we know that what is the rectification? First, we have to reverse the entry. Mahesh account debit 1,000. This should go right. Then cash is accounted correctly. Cash is accounted as 1,000 instead of 4,000, right? So that should go into the suspense account. Suspense account debit 3,000 because cash is recorded correctly. You can see here cash receipt was posted to Mahesh account. So it means that it's assumed that cash is recorded correctly. So there is an error only between Mahesh and Mohit account and also in the amount. Okay. So Mahesh account is credited as the actual entry. So we are reversing it. And then cash is debited incorrectly from instead of 4,000 as 1,000. So debiting suspense account and then to Mohit account credit 4,000. Okay. Next one. So we are reversing the Mahesh account first because there is an incorrect credit. So we are debiting Mahesh. Then cash is incorrectly posted. The cash is debited. It's incorrectly debited as 1,000 instead of 4,000. So suspense account has to be debited. And then Mohit account will get the credit for 4,000 because Mohit has paid the cash. Okay. Check for rupees 5,800 received from Arnav in full settlement of his account of rupees 6,000 was dishonored. No entry was processed in the books on dishonor of the check. So check dishonor is we have to get the money back from Arnav. Okay. So the entry what should be processed is because the check is dishonored, the debtor has to get debited. Arnav account debit. Arnav account debit 6,000. Right. And then we have already given a discount of 200 that should be reversed as well. Discount account credit 200, bank account credit 5,800. Okay, next one. Because this entry is not processed earlier, so we are processing a rectification. We are reversal entry. Rupees 800 received from Kanna, whose account had previously been written off as bad, was credited to his account. Okay, earlier we have reversed the bad debts. Now that money is coming. So when money comes in, obviously you debit to bank account and 800. And what is this? Bad debts covered credit 800. This there is no entry process, so we are processing an entry. Okay. Then we have credit sales of to Manav for rupees 5,000 was recorded through the purchase book as rupees 2,000. What is the actual entry that got processed? Credit sales to Manav is recorded as in the purchase books as 2,000. So we have debited purchase account 2,000 to Manav account credit 2,000. This is the entry that got processed. Whereas what should be the actual entry? It is Manav account debit. Manav account debit for 5,000. and sales account credit 5,000. This should have been the entry, whereas this is the entry that got processed. So reverse the entry, right? First we should have purchase reversed. Purchase account has to be credited for 2,000 to reverse that entry, right? Now sales account has to be credited for 5,000 rupees because it's a sales transaction. Now we have Manav account debit 3,000 and suspense account debit 4,000, right? Why? Because purchase account is incorrectly debited, so reverse the purchase entry, and sales has to be accounted, so account for sales entry. This should the entry that should come in. Like let's put it like this. What is the let's not confuse. Let's make it very clear. What is the entry that should be processed? Manav account debit 5,000. Sales account credit 5,000. Purchase account credit 2,000, right? And Manav account debit. Manav account credit, Manav account debit 2,000, right? Is this the right approach? Where we are missing is we have to update it to the purchase account, suspense account also. So in this case, suspense account will not come in place. Why? Because we have this transactions. We have to process this entry. So we have to process this entry. We have processed this entry. So reverse this entry and account for this entry. Like reverse this entry, purchase account credit 2,000, Manav account debit 2,000. And then what is the entry to be processed? Manav account debit 5,000 and sales account credit 4,000. So instead we can merge this and say Manav account debit 7,000. That is also possible, but as we are discussing earlier, let's break it. Let's go in detail so that we will not get any confusion. This is the actual entry. A sales has been treated as purchases. So credit sales to Manav 5,000 is recorded in the purchase books as 2,000. So sales has been recorded as purchases. Reverse the purchase and account for the sales to make it more simpler and easier. Okay. Next one. Purchase book undercast by rupees 1,000. So purchase book undercast by 1,000. Purchase account is a debit balance. So purchase account debit 1,000. And suspense account credit 1,000. Right. The next one. Repairs on machinery rupees 1,600. Wrongly debited to machinery account as rupees 1,000. What is the entry that got processed here? Repairs to machinery. Wrongly debited to machinery account as 1,000. So it has been debited to machinery account debit 1,000. Bank account, assume it is paid through bank. Bank account credit 1,000. Whereas what should be the actual entry? Repairs account debit 1,600. 1,600. Bank account credit 1,600. This should be the entry. Now we know that we have to reverse. Bank is, let's say that we have to debit repairs. Repairs account debit 1,600, right? And machinery account credit 1,000, right? Bank, instead of 1,600 credit, bank has been credited to as 1,000 rupees. So bank account credit 600. So we are reversing the machinery account debit to machinery account credit, and bank has been undercast by 600 rupees, so credit to bank account, and then repairs account has been debited as 1,600 rupees. Let's get into the next one. Goods returned by Nathu rupees 3,000 were taken into stock. No entry was recorded in the books. So goods returned by Nathu means it's a sales return. And for a sales return, Debit sales return. Sales return account debit 3000. Natu account credit 3000. Okay, so let's now put the ledger for suspense account. It says that under cash by 16,000. It shows excess credit of 16,000. So suspense will have a debit balance. To balance brought down. Excess credit in the trial balance. So suspense is debited with 16,000 rupees. Now, what is the transaction we have in suspense account? By purchases. By purchases 1,000. Right? And then what else we have? What else we have in suspense account? Yeah, we have Mahesh account debit to Mohit account. So to Mohit account 1,000. Not necessarily all the transactions are identified here. So that is the reason we still have balance in suspense account, which has to be rectified by the accountant or by Anantram. So Anantram has to still work on identify what are all the additional transactions that got missed out and why the balance is not matching, and to rectify this. Hope this is clear, students. Just in case you have any doubts, please reach out to me at babupriya@redfmail.com. Please practice these questions. Please practice these questions. Do it once, twice, three times so that you get used to the concepts. All right? Please practice these questions. And just come back to me with any doubts or clarifications at babupriya@redfmail.com, or you can send in notes to this video as well. Let's connect in the next class. Have a great day, friends. Thank you.